Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to add a logo on your Wix website. Alright, let's begin. First, open any preferred browser and search for wix.com. Once you are on the website, sign into your account and select the website you would like to edit. After that, you will be redirected to the home page. Here, click on the search bar at the top and search for logo. From the suggestions, open the logo settings and all of the profile settings will be displayed. Simply click on the Upload Image button under the logo header and upload the media from your computer. Once it is uploaded, click on the Choose File button at the bottom right corner and the logo will be added. Now, just click on the Save button to save the changes. To add the logo to your website header, go back to the home page of your account and click on the Edit Site button at the top right corner. Now, click on the Add icon at the top left corner and select Image from the list. Now, click on the Upload button and select the target image. Then, select the image and click on Add to Page. Finally, resize it and drag it to the desired place on your website. So that's basically how you can add a logo on your Wix website. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.